I lived in the city in the past 30 years. Its hustle and bustle have become music to my ears. But it is not home. Home is back there where I was born, on the banks of the rivers of Mindanao, in the mountains that I have never climbed, in the forests that I only saw in my mind. My ancestors lived in the mountains. In exchange for several yards of cloth, my grandfather sent his son to the lowlands to become a houseboy. He was only 7 years old then. At 19, he got married to a farmer's daughter, and his journey away from the tribe began. Years later, he pointed out to me the way back home.
Sakit kayo alang kanamo nga mga subanin nga makuha gikan kanamo kining maong mga kayutaan sa bukid. Kagikan sa among mga ginikanan sa mga katigulangan, kami mo'y nagantos. Sila mo'y nagugmad nining maong kabukiran. Dayon, kuhaon lang sa mga banyaga nga nagpahimulos sa katigayunan sa bukid. Bilang usa ka subanan, ang ako untang damgo nga dili untang mawala ang kultura sa among mga ginikanan. Undangon kanang mga pagpamutol sa mga kahoy sa kabukiran. Kaya nawala gyud mga paraiso sa bukid. Nangandoy na lang ko nga unta ang ako mga kaliwatan sama kanimo mangita nini mga butang nga nawala sa bukid. Dinha na ako itugyan kaninyo hangyo unta kamo nga balik kamo sa bukid, laktan ninyo ang bukid, pangita ang kabukiran alang sa atong mga sumusunod sa atong mga anak.
I started my journey back in the town center, where many of my tribesmen and tribeswomen tried their luck and dreamt of a better life.
When we are out there in the dark, we'll dream upon the sun.
Into the lowlands they went, trying to adapt, trying to make a living, trying to get assimilated into the world. But the Subanen seemed to have become only a memory, an attraction for tourists, a showcase of culture in a country that brags that it's more fun for indigenous peoples to show off how they dance. I went out my way to look for people in the know and ask them about the festival I saw.
Natay kultura, walay mo barog kung biyaan na to ni. Labi na karon mga kabataan sa mo.
They are just using the Subanens and the Subanen culture to promote tourism.
Mayon po na ilang gibuhat kay ma-promo mong yun nilang promote jud po nilang kultura, pero kinaot nga dili pampunaan ba nga mag-base gid unta sa kuan kung mahimo mag-research di ba.
I tried to look into the faces of the dancing girls and the made-up boys who look like birds, but I found not my tribe in them. I continued my search far into the mountains, across rivers and trails that people call roads. Along the way, I met Subanens, with nothing much but their stories to share. There was Mario Paulino, who tried his luck in the city and came home with nothing to feed 3 hungry children.
Say, magkuha na lang mig, ngita mig kubong. Kay, para ba sarbal da dyan among kagutom. Yan ang mga balanghoy, mga itanong.
There was Estelito Tablan, who with bare hands dig for gold to sustain another day of digging.
Pagkakaroon, apikin na dyan mi kayo. Nagmantinil na lang may pamulawan rin ginagmay. Ang mulawan sa bukid, may kautanan. Pero pagkakaroon, kamantinil na lang dyan may taon kay gumikan mas kumpanya. Kaya ang high grade, wala naman lagi tugot na magpasulod. Kaya wala may balabagis kumpanya dire. Ang mga tao diri tanan-tanan diri maglisod. Wala may lain diri pangabuhian. Mananom ka dire pamaghapon. Di man ni among yuta. Wagid mi mahimo. Ang hinahinay ra gid mig pamulawan ginagmay. Apiki gid mi kayo. Pag agwanta na lang namo kay wa man mi laing mahimo. Kung mawadaan mig subad diri wa gid mi pangabuhi. Patay, lunusan gid mi tanan diri.
With the sweat on their brow, they have to survive, for no other reason but to live. I looked into their eyes and tried to see myself, crossing a river, digging for gold, hunting in the forest for something to eat. Life used to be beautiful. The Subanens had their land. They lived in peace and in harmony with nature, as forests were allowed to grow. They drank from its springs and rivers. The birds and the flowers were their brothers and sisters. I continued my journey, for there are still mountains to climb and rivers to cross. On a bridge above a rushing river, up in the hinterlands, my people found me. I reached the village of my ancestors and met what remained of my tribe. My great-grand-uncle tried to narrate the story of my life.
Ang ngalan ako, Marcelino Cantores. Diri man na tao among kuan, apuhan. Kato si Ukas, nganlag Ukas. Muna, kato akong tatay, anak to ni Ukas. Kato akong tatay mo, imagwang si Sumigi. Dayon, katutua si Andabon. Dayon, si Gurnay. Dayon si Danggin. Dayon si Iguan. Dayon si Antino. Dayon si Madal. Kato si Ginakti. 7 di sila sa pilmerong asawa. Kato si Indong, Pinoy, Cantores. Dayon si Pilino.
After many years in the city, after living in a place far away, I ask myself, do I belong here? Am I a Subanen?
Kung kabalo ka mo balik sa imong nga pagka-ikaw, inaudyo ka. Dili na yung nga wala ka.
Subano kung ikaw mag-adapt lang ka. Pero og moingon mo siparit na ka, nawa na ko'y mahimo niya na, pero pakangan nga ikaw, dugo gyud kag Subano.
This is Joe Torres, a Subanen, and this is just the start of my long journey home.
Thank